Jaunty is a homegrown New York brand. It's been in the market for just about 2 years now. We were the third vape brand on the market back when Housing Works was the one and only store in the state. 2 years running, we just crossed over 190 stores, and we keep breaking monthly records in revenue month after month, so it's been great.
Can you talk a little bit about the research and development that you're doing at Jaunty?
Yeah, sure. So when we first launched the brand, we were 100% distillate focused. We only had 7 SKUs. They were all just distillate-based cartridges. Jaunty now has close to 50 SKUs, and we're in 4 different categories. We do vapes, both disposable and cartridges. We do edibles, tinctures, and we're about to launch our concentrates into the market next month. We're trying to get away from our reliance on distillate, and we want to focus more on connoisseur oils, specifically from fresh frozen material. So this is going to be our second major harvest of fresh rosin from upstate New York. We're currently doing solventless extraction with live rosin, and we're installing a butane machine to get live resin into the market, hopefully by end of Q1. I mean, I think with a lot of new recreational markets that opened up, it's flooded with distillate, just kind of by the nature of the rollout. It's easy to produce. I mean, distillate probably gets a bad rap with consumers, and they're looking for something more connoisseur focused in the resin and rosin, but it takes time to get that kind of quality and quantity available to the market. That's kind of what we've really been focused on in the past 2 years, though. 100% in New York, yeah. We do at some point have, aspirations of going outside of that. Hopefully regionally we could expand into some of our neighboring markets, but right now we want to go deep into New York because there's enough to win there. And honestly, if you can make it in New York, you can make it anywhere, so.
From like an outsider's view, the New York recreational launch doesn't seem like it's been the easiest time period. How's it treated Jaunty?
Actually quite well. So it's kind of a double-edged sword. I think, from your perspective, from an outsider's perspective, it's certainly been a rocky road. The first year ended with only 25 retail dispensaries, and we were stuck in an injunction for about 3 to 4 months, which was a pretty scary time. We're ending 2024 now. We have about 260 stores in the state. So it has basically 10x in 12 months. I think in hindsight, the speed with which it rolled out was perfect for us, because if it did go any faster, we may not have been able to scale up with it. Yeah, we were able to kind of bootstrap into all these different categories. Again, we only launched with 7 SKUs in one category. Now we have close to 50 in 4 different categories. We're basically able to do that without having to, sell off a bunch of equity or getting into bad, financial moves with that. So
what do you see like down the road for Jaunty in the New York market? Like, where are things heading?
For us, our goal in 2025 is to become New York's #1 best-selling vape brand. So we're not going to abandon the products that we have in the other product lines, but we definitely want to make sure that we're focused 100% on winning in the vape category. So for us, that means really expanding into the 3 oil types. There's not another company in the New York market that has legitimate access to all 3 oil types. Some of them focus just on the connoisseur oils, so you have some that are doing resin or rosin, but they won't do distillate because they turn their nose up at it. Others are really focused on doing just distillate and don't have access to fresh frozen or extraction through butane or solventless to get those others. So Jaunty is going to be the first one by the end of Q1 25 to have all 3 oils legitimately offered in the vape category.
All right, great. Well, thank you.
Thank you.